At the end of the world, I will be there with you, and we'll throw a party to celebrate the things we used to do, like living life, breathing air, running your fingers through my hair. Oh, this isn't fair. At the end of the world, I will hold you so close.
Wahai Bayu Abiantoro bin Sarno, saya nikahkan Rizka Galung binti Muhammad Aris Kaltan dengan engkau, yang walinya telah mewakilkan kepada saya dengan mahar uang Rp2.700.000 dan seperangkat alat sholat tunai karena Allah. Terima.
Saya terima nikahnya Rizka Eka Galung binti Muhammad Aris Kaltan dengan mahar Rp2.700.000 dengan seperangkat alat sholat tunai karena Allah Ta'ala.
We won't feel the earth collapse into a mess of blood and fire. We'll be making love as the sky above falls down over us. We'll be the luckiest ones. At the end of the world, we'll be together, be together. Of the world, I will be there with you, and we'll throw a party to celebrate the things we used to do.
3, 2, 1.